Hello, friends. Today we will start a new chapter, The Best Christmas Present in the World. This is the first chapter of MCB. So let's begin with the chapter. I spotted it in a junk shop in a Bridgeport, a roll top desk. The man said it was early 19th century and a oak. It means here the writer is talking about that in a junk shop which is located in a Bridgeport, he found over there a roll top desk. It means a table, and the man told him, the owner of the shop told him that this is from the 19th century and it is made up of oak wood. I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. This was in a bad condition. He's saying, I was wanted one. I want for me this kind of decks, but I haven't bought them because they were so expensive. And the thing which I right now found is in a very bad condition. The roll top in several pieces, one leg clumsily mended. He is saying that the roll top, which is having several pieces, it means it is broken from the top, and the leg is also mended. It means repaired. It is not fixed. Scratch mark all down one side, and that table, that desk is having scratch marks on over it. Scratch mark, it is clearly mentioned there, that is the burn mark. It was going very little money. It means because there are so many flaws in that table, so that is coming with a very low money, little money. I thought I could restore it. The writer thought that he should use this table. I paid the man and bought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. So he bought this table and he just placed it where? He placed this table in his office in the back of the garage. I began work on it on Christmas Eve. So he started working on that table. Working, it means he started mending that table, how much he can repair. He was restoring that table. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. He just removed all the roll top. It means that the top of the table completely, and he was just checking the drawers of the table. The weaner had lifted almost. So what was there? The weaner had lifted almost everywhere. Now, what is here a weaner actually? Weaner is the sheet of the table, the protective sheet, you can say, that is coming out from everywhere. Looked like water damage to me, both fire and water. Clearly taken their toll on the decks. So he was thinking कि maybe the sheet is coming out because it is damaged with the fire or with the water, or because of both. The last drawer stuck fast. I tried all I could to ease it out gently. The last drawer of the table, as you can see in the picture, there are 3 drawers. So the last one is struck very badly, and he was trying it to pull the drawer out. He was trying his force over it. It struck it sharply. I struck it sharply with the struck it sharply with one side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space. But anyhow, the drawer open now, and there is a shallow space. Shallow, it means very deep space inside the drawer. You can say it a secret drawer. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. So there was something kept inside that drawer. He reached in. It means he put his hand inside that drawer, and what he found out there, he found a black tin box in the drawer. sellotape on the top, and it was a piece of lined note paper. There was sellotape to the top. It means on the top there was a sellotape, and it was a piece of a lined note paper, and there was a note paper stick on that tin box, and written on it. And what was written on that paper? In Shanky's handwriting. In Shanky handwriting, it means somebody is writing like that in a very shivering way. Shanky handwriting. James had. So what was written in the shaky handwriting? Jim's last letter received 25th 1915. So this was the last letter of the Jim, which was received on 25th 1915, January 25th. To be buried with me when the time comes. And there was written that when the proper time will come, then the person who is reading this letter, he is asking from him only that he should bury this letter with me. It means with the Jim. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. So because now he able to recognize that this is the letter, and it's very bad thing to read other letter, but now the curiosity is something which he can't control. It's a feeling that whenever you are doing something wrong, but still you want to find out what is inside it. So same kind of curiosity he is also having. Inside the box there was an envelope. So when he opened the box, there was an envelope. The address, what was the address over there in the envelope? Mrs. Jim McPherson, 12 Copper Beeches, Bridport, Dorset. So this was a letter to Mrs. McPherson, who is living in 12 Copper Beeches, which is in Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. This man who bought this desk, he just took out the letter and he just opened it. It was written in a pencil and date at the top. So the letter was written in a pencil with a pencil, and the date was mentioned is December 26, 1914. And now this second part we can see here. This is the letter part. It means the part which he is reading as a letter.